Vital, O'Donnell Bend. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, southern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, northern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, Tipton County in West Tennessee, Lauderdale County in West Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Joyner, or 8 miles southwest of Wilson, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burleson, Venetia, Grider, Covington, Hampson Archaeological Museum State Park, Osceola, Atoka, Alto, Shippen, Curve, Delco, Orissa, Bassett, Durhamville, Gainesville, Tabernacle, Mason, Clupton, Galilee, and Wilbeth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas and West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Crittenden, Mississippi, and Poinsett, and the following counties in Tennessee, Lauderdale and Tipton. The severe thunderstorm warning for